Dear AI aspiring data engineers, welcome to our channel Alex Tech Project. Today we try to see numerical variables outlier analysis. The one of the method is IQR method. We are filling with a median. Without further delay, now let us jump into the session. In the previous session, we have explained about the data analysis template. The first one is a loading of in a Python module, reading the data set from the CSV or Excel. If it is located in the URL, you can provide the URL. Third point is basic inspection of in a given data set. And fourth point will be the handling the missing values in categorical variable, that is nothing but the replace with more. This is one of the method. Fifth one will be the categorical univariate analysis using the pipeline. Sixth one will be the handling the missing values in the numerical columns. Seventh one will be the numerical univariate analysis using the pipeline. So these 7 steps we have covered in the previous sessions. If you not, please watch it. Today we are entering into the 8th step, that is nothing but the numerical variables outlier analysis. So this is the data set I have taken, that is nothing but the loan prediction data set. The above steps I have completed. The 8th point, the 8th steps I am here. We can see the function finding the outlier and fill with median. The variable we are passing the column name, that is numerical column name, and Q1 I am calculating with a quantile 0.25. If you are taking a percentile, you can give it as a 25. Percentile, it is going from 0 to 100. Quantile, it is moving 0 to 1. So 25th percentile we are calculating like this. Next 75th percentile we are calculating here. Their values I am storing in Q1 and Q3. The difference between them is interquartile range. I am storing in a IQR variable. Now I am defining the lower fence and upper or higher fence like this. Q1 minus 1.5 times of an IQR is the lower boundary or lower fence. Higher fence is Q3 plus 1.5 times of an IQR. If the data falls from the higher fence to the lower fence, then we can call it as a normal. If it is falls below the lower fence, if it falls above the higher fence, we can call it as an outlier. So for this, I am writing the condition if the data falls the lower fence, if the data falls upper the higher fence, I am making condition 1 and 2, and I am making as R. And next step, I am finding the median value by using NP, where the first is the condition, and if the condition satisfy, mean if it is an outlier, I am replacing with the median, else the existing value I am keeping over here, the entire thing I am replacing in the same column. And after that I am drawing the box plot of the given numerical continuous variable. So now let us see. Now I am taking the continuous variables like applicant income, co-applicant income, loan amount term. These are the 4 columns which are numerical. So I am printing the column names and I am looping over the for loop. You can see, and calling this function find outliers and fill with median. If you have any doubt on this one, please write your comments in the comment section. Now I am calling this function and it is filling. After that it is showing the box plot. So you can see the applicant income box plot. Even after filling the outlier with the median, still we can see that. Even if you repeat the process, still you can see it. It's a one time, that's enough. Next one will be the co-applicant income. You can see it over here. This orange line indicate the median. This lower box or this lower entry you can say Q1, and this upper, this one will be showing us in a Q3. You can see loan amount here, lower also upper also it is there, but we are replaced, so it looks, if you want the difference before and after you can draw. Take this one and put it over here, that is before. Now after filling you can see side by side, you can draw and see the difference. Yeah, so this, by using the IQR method, we can find the outliers and replace with as a median. If you don't want to replace with the median, if it is less than the lower fence, you can replace with the Q1, and if it is above the higher fence, or you can replace with as in Q3, or you can replace with the lower fence or a higher fence, because it is less than the Q1. So this is another case. We need not only replace with the median, we can replace with as in Q1 or Q3, or we can replace with the lower fence calculated, higher fence, this is a calculated. And even if we see this outliers is less than 2% of the given data set, we can drop it out. The percentage should be very less. This is the essence. So if it is less than 2%, yes, there is a choice, you can drop it out. Second one, you can replace with the median. Third one, you can replace with the Q1 and Q3. And the fourth one, you can replace with the lower fence and higher fence. So this is the replacing the outliers method by using the IQR. Before and after, you can draw the box plot and you can see the difference. So this is the one we have covered today, and we try to meet in the next video. Thank you very much.